Hi guys, so today's video I'm going to be making some healthy Chinese inspired chicken fried rice with these simple and fresh ingredients. So as you can see here, we have some broccoli, tenderloin stems, we have some soy sauce, Chinese spice, garlic and ginger, some onion, pink Himalayan rock salt, black pepper, chilies, scallions, brown rice which has been cooked overnight because you need the rice cold to make this dish, and some chicken breast. So first things first, you add some coconut oil into the pot, roughly half a spoon. So after the coconut oil is dissolved into the pot, so it's heated up and it goes liquid, you add the onions. Okay, next step, you add in some garlic ginger. You could use fresh garlic, but I'm being a bit lazy today, so I'm just putting half a spoon again of garlic ginger with the onions. So at this point here, you just want to turn the onions and mix the garlic in together with it. You try not to burn it, keep on a low heat and just keep turning it until the onions caramelize. Literally dice my chicken breast into small cubes. The reason why I'm using chicken breast as opposed to chicken thighs is just leaner protein and it's more healthier and it has a lot less fats. So now we put the chicken breast into the onions and garlic, all on a low heat for now. Then literally we're going to mix it in. So now once the chicken is browned up a bit and it's turning white and it's getting a bit harder and denser, we start the seasoning. So this is pink Himalayan salt, which I'll season all over the chicken. I then use some black pepper. So now I add this integral ingredient, Chinese spice, to put into the chicken. Also make sure when you cook the chicken it's on a low heat, because chicken breasts cook very quickly and you don't want your chicken to be dry. Okay? Turn around the spice and you let the chicken marinate in the juices, the onions, the garlic and all the other seasoning. Just wash some broccoli stems. I'm going to throw the broccoli stems into the chicken now. It's looking amazing, it's all brown. The flavours are coming in. And I'm just going to give it a nice stir around. And I'm going to close the pot lid. Broccoli cooked. Okay, now the chicken's pretty much cooked, the broccoli's pretty much cooked. I'm going to add these fresh chilies in, because they take a very quick time to cook. And I like the spice. Turn it around. And you can see all the beautiful colours of the chicken and all the veg and all the broccoli. Now we add the rice, which is already cooked from yesterday and it's cold, which is perfect for this dish. Give it a good stir. Strong hand for the spoon. So now we add these scallions because it gives the rice a nice fresh feeling and a nice taste. Turn it around, mix it in, and we're almost done, people. The final ingredient is some soy sauce. Obviously it's quite high in salt, so I'm not going to go crazy with it. I'm going to add a decent amount. And there you have it, guys. Healthy chicken fried rice. Sprinkle with coriander for flavour, and you're good to go.